All right, we're still looking at potential revenue recognition issues. Potential revenue recognition issues, right? Remember, a lot of this is let's have these conversations. Just this will, we'll when we come across some of these things, we'll have a better idea about how our company might be recognizing revenue if we come across any of these things. So the next one we want to chat about is consignment arrangements. So the first thing is, what the heck is a consignment arrangement? Well, this is when some third party, so we're talking about us, right? And maybe we draw a little schematic. So this is our company, the OC, okay? So our company, we have some third party, and we have our customer. Okay? The third party delivers to us product with the objective of us to be able to sell it on to others, right? So our goal is to then sell to the customer, right? And this shouldn't be surprising, right? We may either manufacture it or buy it from a third party and sell it on. What a consignment arrangement is well, we're really acting as an agent for these folks, right? For the third party to sell to the customer. Because theoretically, this third party could directly sell to the customer and cut out us, right? But we are a consigner. We're a consignment shop where they're going to give us the product. We have the logistics to be able to deliver it or to sell it, and then we're going to sell it. We don't actually take physical possession. So a consignment arrangement is we're just a third party seller, and we're not actually taking the product, owning the product, and then trying to sell it. So that's really what a consignment arrangement. What do we get for it? We get a consignment fee or a commission. Right? That's what we're going to get. Right? The third party gets whatever the piece is net of whatever the consignment fee is. So that's the way you look at it. And so when we are taking this product, it's not going into our inventory. And when we sell it, we shouldn't recognize the full amount of the sale. The only revenue we should recognize is the consignment fee, because that's all we've got for revenue. Because this entity still theoretically has the risk of the product inventory sitting at our company. So indicators that make this arrangement, make an arrangement a consignment arrangement, include, but again, this is not all of these things have to be there, right? So these are indicators of a consignment. Okay. Indicators of a consignment arrangement is the product is controlled by the entity until a specific event occurs. So such as the sale of the product to the customer of the dealer, right? So we're the dealer, they're the entity, they control the product. They control what happens to it, right? So the third party controls the product and not our company, the dealer, right? We think about that as the dealer, okay? Until some other event occurs where they sell the product to a customer or the dealer, or the period where I have this consignment arrangement expires, right? So the third party controls the product. The third party is able to require the return of the product or transfer the product to another party, such as another dealer. So this third party can require return of the product. Right? Again, this is all we have no say. We're here just to facilitate a sale for you to this customer. Right? We don't control the product. This third party can take it back from our company. We're just consigning. And we as the dealer or this company, we do not have any obligation to pay for the product, right? Our company, the OC in this case, OC, our company, has no obligation to pay for the product, right? Any one of these would suggest that it's a consignment arrangement. If you have multiple of this happening, it would clearly indicate that it's a consignment arrangement. So you just have to look at how this arrangement's fixed. For our company, the only revenue we would recognize is the consignment fee or the commission when it sells. This third party, if they send they can't recognize revenue on the selling of this product until it's actually delivered to this customer, right? So if we're the dealer or we're the intermediary, we're only going to recognize the fee, and the third party or the entity that is doing consignment or sending product to be sold, they can't recognize revenue when it goes to us. They can only recognize revenue when it ultimately gets delivered to the customer, right? So all of these things, you just got to always take a look at what's the nature of the contract. Are any of these things in play that would suggest that this is a consignment arrangement and now we have to think of it differently?